Prevention is key when it comes to cold and flu season. The flu is caused by influenza A and B viruses. It's extremely contagious and often travels through schools, homes, and workplaces quickly. The virus is typically spread through coughing, sneezing, and coming in contact with flu virus droplets in the air. Taking preventative measures to keep your immune system healthy can help you gain control of influenza before it strikes. Eat whole foods. Natural medicine lies in nature. For tips on how to prevent the flu naturally, eat a diet full of real, whole foods. Foods like apples, carrots, raw nuts, and seeds contain the nutrients your body needs to keep your immune system strong and keep you from getting sick. Exercise. You already know that exercise is good for you, right? But there's more to it. Studies have shown that 30 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 times per week is one of the best ways to boost your immune system. Find a workout that you enjoy to help you stay active and healthy during cold and flu season. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep on a regular basis is vital to your overall health and wellness. Skimping on sleep can lead to weight gain, brain fog, and a compromised immune system. To help prevent the flu when you feel it coming on, be sure to get your 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Get lots of vitamin D. Gotta love the sunshine vitamin because it gives a lot of love back. In fact, vitamin D is key in how to prevent the flu naturally. Studies have shown that low vitamin D levels make the body more susceptible to cold and flu. The best way to get your fill of vitamin D is to spend time outdoors on a regular basis, but if you live in more northern climes, for those in the northern hemisphere, then consider supplementing with a high-quality D3 supplement. Reduce stress levels. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on your immune system, making you more susceptible to illness. Lowering your stress levels can help you stay healthy, physically, mentally, and emotionally. Try yoga, taking a bubble bath before bed, or spending time in nature each day. Take a multivitamin. A multivitamin can help how to prevent getting the flu after being exposed. Make sure you chose a whole food multivitamin sans synthetic ingredients. The best way to make sure you're getting the nutrients you need is through a diet full of whole foods, but a multivitamin can help pick up the slack when needed.